Morning, beautiful people. It is such a nice day today. I just got my first batch for today. It is 10 o'clock. I am dropping off my mom's car to my man's house so that I can pick up his car and start my day. I met her this morning, y'all, just to get some cake. She's been telling me about this bakery that is super popular up north, and they just so happen to have a location in the airport. So y'all, wait till I show y'all these cakes. I met her 20 minutes away just to get these cakes, so they better be good and then some. She got this banana pudding for me. Oh, I can't wait to try it. She got this confetti cake for my baby, and she got this chocolate cake for my man, y'all. Oof. Everything looked good. Let's head to Target. Just got to Target and about to do some shopping. Let's go.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Batch one complete, and now we are on the way to drop these customers off their items.
Music licensing reimagined.
I cannot find these people's house. This is so annoying. All right, so batch one has been completed. I had to make a quick stop to Wawa to get me something to drink. They unfortunately didn't have the drink that I was craving, so I just got to Arizona. But now I'm on my way to Aldi's. That's where my second batch is at, and I have 3 orders in that one batch, and Aldi's is literally like right next door. So about to head there and go shopping. Let's get it.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
My second batch. Now it's time to deliver.
Music licensing reimagined.
All right, y'all, so I have finished the second batch. Now I'm about to head back over to my neck of the woods and see what type of orders we can get.
Artlist.io.
It's 6:48. I normally don't even do orders this late, but I said I can't let this cold weather stop me. So here I am doing my last order. I only have like 3 things to pick up, and it was only $5, 3 miles. So here I am. Well, this is the last and final batch for tonight. Thank you. And I'm going home. I just wanted to show you guys, even though I've showed you before, that it's not that hard to make $100 a day doing Instacart. This is probably the lowest batch that I've taken in a while. It was only $5, but I took it just so that I could have $100 even. Cause I was gonna stop at 95. I ain't even gonna lie. I was gonna stop at 95, but I was like, nope, keep on going. And had I not taken a 2-hour break earlier, I would have been done. But y'all, this cold be getting to me. Like, I'm not used to working in the cold. This is my first year doing Instacart. during the cold season. So y'all, I be wanting to get in a bed, get under my heated blanket. Like, it be cold. So I'm on my way to drop this stuff off, and I am done for tonight. Like, I'm done, okay?
Music licensing reimagined.